Nonsense! I don't want to hear that! Leave my house! Leave!
You can never come out!
Oh, never that go, maybe can no more. Oh, you Meruga! I can't take this out of my house! Onyara! See, let me tell you. You are responsible for all my woes. If you didn't come into my life with this evil child of sorrow, my life wouldn't be as painful as it is now. Leave! Take this out of my house. You are responsible for all my predicaments. Come on, take this out of my house. Move! Evil woman. Come on. Get out. No, take that out of my compound. You was that Lenia. I want to make cooking. You get out of my house. Did I ever tell you that I'm looking for a child? Eh? Have I ever once told you that I'm looking for a child? Nyala.
What on earth did I do to deserve this wickedness?
You are asking me. What do you call it wickedness? You're in the highest level of wickedness. No, but you stay in there. Let me go and get the cutlass. I cannot there. He cannot there. I'm begging you. Say, aye, whoosh.
Okay. You're doing it. Yeah.
Yes, I did it. Yeah. 1, 2. My husband. My baby. I did it. Just hold on. Who's the girl? Hold on. You know, go. Hold on. Hold on. Patient for your mother. Just hold on. Jim. Yeah.
world is so heavy. Tebuwe bwabanu ya unafugo na mweza defu namba chidera. Oh, the sequel, what God says must surely come to pass. Unafugo no dirana kamadu, unafugo no nke chukukulu geme. Oh, oh.
You see, I'm your father. I know when all is well and when all is not well. Who did you fight with?
Papa, is it not one imbecile? Eh? One anofia, anomano. That always drives joy, drives pleasure in insulting my family.
You see, a leopard never changes its spot. You remind me of my youthful days when nobody could ever insult any member of my family. But you see, Tibozobo fighting, they do not solve any problem. No, but dialogue does.
Some issues are better settled with fight. All the lucky.
It's not true, my son. It is not. But you see, listen to me. I am your father. What an elder sees sitting down, you can never see it even if you climb the tallest tree. Dialogue is the best approach to issues.
Papa, it's okay. It's okay. I've heard. I've heard.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, have you eaten?
Okay.
I have to boil yam for you, but before then, let's drink Gary. Then I'll rush to the stream, get water, then boil the yam.
Okay. Whoa.
Oh. You mean the man did this to you? You mean the man did this to you?
Mama, he took me unawares. when I wanted to rush him, put the other. That was why.
Take a look. Take a look! Take a look at what this your useless, hopeless, non-entity of a son did to my precious son.
This idiot.
Huh? Look, oh! Look. I'm not here to banter words with you. I want you to warn this your useless, hopeless son. As from today, I don't want him anywhere close to my son. Not to talk of raising this is nonsense on him. Otherwise!
What is this? Hey! Get him! What's all this?
Well, you need to see. Anomi Akadi. Nonya Kawai. Does he have ume? He cannot contain the great Obiago on Ayala. I dealt with him. I dealt with that young man. Please come. Come, as I'm talking to you, he's hearing it.
Obiago, please, I'm hungry. Come and join me. Yeah, I won't wait for you.
Tomorrow, when he sees me, he will dodge.
Come and join me, oh! Ha!
Yeah. If you see what happened, huh? My mom is indeed a tigress. The moment I poured their food away, my mom, he stood up and attacked me like a wounded lion. And then my mom, Obagidia, when you be any, when you be adi, when you be any, Obiago. But it is not for people like you. We are lions. Biago, lion's heart.
Oh, Biago, you should be ashamed of yourself for letting Mama fight for you. Mommy's boy.
Jesus! Me, mommy's boy! Hey! Me, mommy's boy!
Yes!
Are you mad?
You are mommy's boy.
Are you
You are mommy's boy.
Ow.
Oh, Biago!
You called me a mommy's boy.
What is the problem?
Can you imagine, Skora, calling me a mommy's boy? That's because you came to witness how I dealt with that nincompoop.
Zikora, where's your Mama, I only told him to start standing up for himself and not involving you in his fights. Zikora.
Did you hear her?
You should be ashamed of yourself. Mama, I don't want you to die early. I don't want you to die and I don't want to lose you. Instead of you to support your brother, you're busy taking side with enemy of this family. If Papa was alive, Papa would never support him. He's a disgrace to our family. He is a disgrace to our family. Obiago is nothing but a weakling. I said it. Will you shut up, Onwa? Shut up. Come. We're shutting us this up.
Mama? I feel like Pastor na unye we find many manners. Otherwise, I'll do you many things.
Don't mind her. You know it's only mouth. Oh, so no go. you touch her now, if you do her what you did to Zevenjo, if you deal with her the way you dealt with Zevenjo, but
one day I will cook this aqua and eat it all by myself. I will not even give you a piece. What nonsense?
Obiago! Leave me alone! Obiago!
Because she was not there to witness what I did to that group.
Omaro!
See, I'm going to get election.
Mama, stop fighting with him, oh. Stop fighting with him, Mama. Stop fighting with him. I don't want you to die early. Is it your business? I don't want you to die early, Mama. Is it your fight? You are not strong enough. Is it your fight? Stop going to all those fights with him. Because I will fight for my son any day, anytime. What is your business? You will not eat your food and shut up your mouth. My son is a very strong. Leave me alone.
I will go get a election. Can you get an
Never know Biago, Biago, Umuaka Potasia, Obiago, Iburu Wake, Mekenia Wake Neme, Iburu Dimpa, Mekenia Dimpa Neme, Megi Bikegio, Ikegi Dipanon, Obiago, Obiago, the one.
Alicia.
Go on, Ogini.
No, why?
Shift.
Wait now. Alicia, are you? Wait, hold on.
What is it?
Wait first. Are you avoiding me? Huh?
What do you mean by that? Can't you say I'm just coming from the river to fetch water?
Listen, you are my wife-to-be. So if you're thinking of giving another man a chance, it will not work. At all, it will not work.
Your wife-to-be. Obiago, where is the money I asked you? Since weeks ago now. Where is it? Weeks have turned into months. Very soon, months will turn into years. Because
my mother delayed earlier on giving me the money. But...
Your mother? Hi, Obiago. You're not ashamed of yourself. Your mother. Look at Zebenjo. He's a man and he takes very good care of himself. But you, your mother. Because
I have the money now. You've not even listened. You're not listening to me.
Where's the money?
I told you I have the money.
Bring the money out. Are you counting it? No. You are counting it.
Give me 2 pieces.
Please escort me. Help me with my water. Let's go.
Agonna.
Papa, you're back already.
Yeah, so...
How was it?
Well, he's responding to treatment. You must be on your way out.
Yes, I want to get to the village square, but I'll check on my trap first before going there.
May your trap catch biggie meat today.
Papa, I'm always positive. Always positive.
Yes.
Kanga.
Can you me the man who I can't? Okay, yeah?
I like it.
Big.
I like it.
I'm gonna go, my bata.
Good morning, Zevenjo. Hi. The great hunter that all the animals in the hills and valleys of Amoji bows to his hunting skills.
I might be so overwhelmed with those praises, but I am not too comfortable with you trailing me all the time, making sure that our path cross. I don't like it.
I am not trailing you, handsome. Even though I am delighted by the consistent coincidence of running into you every day. Well, I see that you're on your way to your hunting games. May I come with you?
No, you cannot. I am going into the depth of the bush, and it won't be comfortable for you following me.
Oh.
Besides, you get tired easily.
About that, allow me to worry about that. Besides, I may draw strength by having to be around you.
There will be no need for that.
Sebenjo, why are you being so insensitive towards my feelings around you? Or you just want to humiliate me? Because I have deep feelings for you.
Some amorous feelings are not supposed to be paid attention to. Do you understand? Having anything to do with you will be a great distraction to me. Besides, you're betrothed to my enemy.
This barbaric betrothal of a thing is so obsolete that it cannot stand the time of age. How can this stop me from marrying a woman of my dreams? How can such a tradition prevail in this 21st century?
The cloud is so heavy. Oh, obode delugo. Odigo kogadi ewo.
It can only take a bravery for a woman to go into the depth of the bush in search of firewood. Should I say it's a show of adventure or resilience in search of what you really want?
When a child fetches the biggest firewoods, it will be attributed to great venture into the depth of the bush. Yes, I came to fetch firewoods. What are you doing here?
Who doesn't know Zebenjo? The only man who can go to any corner of the bush in search of his game. I came hunting.
It is true the gods have given you great wisdom. They have equally given me a great sense of smell. I can smell that you own these firewoods. Well, the question is, how did you know I was going to tread this path?
You have to take your firewood and hurry home. Because this part of bush is not safe for you. When we get there, I'll put it on your head. Give me a minute. Inhale it. Go on. Inhale it. Good. Again. Good. You'll be fine, okay? Sorry. Come on. Let's go. Take you back. Easy. Come on. Easy. Sorry.
Can you imagine these perverts? Why would he be carrying Obiagu's sister like that? Let it not be what I am thinking, because it is not going to be a good one at all. I just hope she has not found a way to seduce that her way into his heart. Because I will definitely deal with her for that. She cannot drag my man with me at all.
My brother, pick it. Let me scatter your home. Even though that I'm not a home breaker.
Yeah, you are just coming.
No, listen. I will show you why my father named me Obiago, Lion's Heart.
That thing.
Lion's Heart.
It's because you are cheating. That's why it's like that.
Cheating? Prove it.
Yeah.
Show me the proof that I have been cheating. Yeah. And you can go and ask me say that I have been cheating. How? You can run your man waiting. Hey, Jesus! Yes, cat.
Nai, good morning.
Hey, why you carry here?
Nai.
Is this you?
It's me, oh.
All the kishile do kubu wib.
Nai, Ochuku.
All the kwa risk you maka ndi orupu. Imi na gazu bu anya na be kuro. So why are you here?
Nai, I know I shouldn't have been here, but I have to be. I saw Zebenjo, your son, your very good son, going to Ezelagbo's house. Nai, I don't know why he went there, but you know that woman, she hates your son so much. So I came to let you know.
Hey!
On time.
Zebenjo told me he was going to check his trap.
Hi.
So what would he be doing there?
I don't know. I don't know. Myself, I was wondering, how can someone know that you're in a bad book of a family and you will still be going there? People that do not like you. You have to let Zebenjo know. If you're dining with the devil, you have to dine with the devil with a very long spoon. But he doesn't want to listen. I don't know why.
Zebenjo told me he was going to check his trap. So what would he be doing there? Kedu nke nwa na-agagharị kpakparioro ka baskoro na-enwere break? Ka atụrụ na-enwe onye nche? Anyway, thank you for this information. I'm going to do everything within my purview to cut him off from that family.
Stop him. It's better.
Yes.
Better
I will do that.
Yes.
That's it. So thank you so much. You can now go.
Are you going to go?
No, I know what to do.
No, you want to cook?
Don't worry. No, this.
I have an errand to run.
Don't worry.
Jidekwa
ka no be maka ihe ndapụ.
Oh, nice.
What do you come to do in my house?
Give me this cutlass.
What is this idiot doing in my compound? What is it? Mama, leave me alone. Leave me alone. Hey, you. Hey. If I catch you, if I get you, you had the call to come to my house. Mama, leave me alone. Leave me alone. What are we doing?
Give me this cutlass. Give it to me now.
Come on, my compound. Let alone carry my sister on your evil back. Mama, leave me. Okay, Mama, you know when you again. Let me get you again. Begging. Hey, are you?
It's okay.
You had to go. You had the guts to hold me.
What happened to you? I was bitten by a snake. On my way back from the farm. Zebenjo saved me. He heard my cry for help and came to my rescue.
Oh, is that what happened?
He sucked the poison and applied some herbs on it.
Isiokwu. Obiago, have you seen it? What you did was rude. Zebenjo was actually trying to save the life of my wife.
I hate him. I hate that boy. I wonder what he's feeling like right now. Didn't you see how he was raising his shoulders up? Raising his shoulder, hey, cook a hero.
What has Zebenjo done now? See, you know I always support everything, every of your decision. But because Zebenjo did not do you anything. He did not do anything. The only offense I know he committed was to save your sister's life, of which you owe him appreciation.
I pray what? I pray this. Nonsense. If he's waiting for my apology, he will go grey. And he will go to the graveyard. I don't want to see that boy close to any member of my family ever again. And you, I don't want to see you 10 kilometers away from Zebenjo. If you do, you will know why I'm your elder brother. The only son of my father. What now? You, what were you looking for in the bush? Oh, the bank. Just... Are you sure you were not with Zebenjo? This uncle is to deceive us. Okay, only your chonta. Is it painful?
No, it's not painful. What kind of question is that?
Be na where with Zebenjo ni mo fi agwa atago gi na. Mama, don't you know what we will do to it for the pain to stop?
I know what to do. I know what to do.
Do now. Do now. It's not by mouth. Do.
Ngwa, go and bring palm oil for me.
Okay. Let me go and bring the palm oil myself.
I have one meat in the pot though. Sure you don't eat it. Sorry, Ziko.
My enemies will never succeed. And then one. Don't worry, you'll be fine.
Sorry. Sorry, Ziko. You not Squanike, Zoike, Zebenjo.
Obiago, give one to Squanike.
One is Zebenjo, Zekuago.
Sebenjo, a few hours ago, you told me you were going into the forest to get some bushmeat. And the last time I checked, this road leads to the house of your worst enemy. So, where's the bushmeat?
Are you now my custodian? Huh? Following me like a faithful bloodhound?
But I don't mind being your custodian, Sebenjo. Even though you don't even know what I feel for you, I have my eyes on you. I care so much about you.
My dear, why don't you save your energy for something very important and useful?
Sebenjo.
Ogini. That's more Ogini.
A child was asked what killed his parents. And he said it's a snail. The same child was asked what he was holding on to. And he also said it's a snail. Now, the question that comes to mind is, does it mean that this child does not want to live? You are not supposed to go to the same family that wants you dead. I only want you to guard your heart so that you will not end up in an early grave. That's all.
My sincere admonition to you. Keep your advice to yourself and let me live my life the way I want it. Do you understand?
Sebenjo nwa bịaruwa ndo nwa na nọrọ onwe ya nwa na chọrọ nsogbu kedu nke mere ụwa meta Sebenjo jebe magina chigisa ajimalele mama nwa kaya ajimalele mama onya kaya ajimalele
Aguna.
Godal. Take him, man.
Hey, you said you were going to check your trap. What happened?
Nothing happened, Papa. I had a bad day, so I had to come back.
Anyway, what we call love is what nature calls distraction. One may chase 1,000, but two, 10,000. That's the truth.
I don't understand. What are you talking about, Papa?
The journey of one person might be more boring than the journey of two people. The girl you carried on your back today like any one nameza watamei. Who is she?
And this with him.
Nothing is hidden under the sun. Oh. Before they are.
Hey, the God saved you. Indeed, the God saved me through Zebenjo. Eziokum.
Sikora, you mean Zebenjo backed you all the way from that Amoji forest to this compound? That's surprising.
He did, though. He did in name. I am surprised by his show of affection. Hi, that man is simply amazing. He is.
Zebenjo that is so full of himself. Nobody ever thinks of him being gentle. He's always alone. Rumors have it that he brags to the youth in this village that he's the most handsome man in this village.
I don't see him in that light. The little I know about him is that he loves to keep to himself. And in my opinion, that is not a bad thing. Carussia.
Right.
Carussia. This is between you and I. Do you know that when Zebenjo was sucking out the snake poison, I felt this sweet sensation all over my body. It felt like I was already out of the swamp.
Shy.
And then when he carried me and backed me, my heart was beating. My heart was racing. It was pumping. I felt something deep for him. But I did not show that to him. I did not expose my feelings. I made him known to avoid embarrassment. Because you never can tell. The feelings may not be mutual. That is it. Wait. Do you know that? The thing is, I think I am beginning to like him. I am already falling.
I am feeling you. I am. Don't ever think cheap of yourself. You're a great woman. Never you allowed your emotions to override you.
I will not. And that is why I said I hid my feelings. To avoid embarrassment. But the boy's body is too soft.
It's okay.
His skin is soft, like a newborn.
It's okay.
I didn't even know the one that was doing me, whether it's the snake bite or the soft body that I was feeling. I didn't even want to come home again. He's so fine. Oh, Maka, he is the opposite of his name. He is the opposite of his name.
It's okay. It's okay. Hold it to yourself. Hold it.
Because this is between you and I.
It's between us now.
Papa, if I had known that family is an ungrateful people, I would have abandoned her in the bush. They don't deserve to be helped.
My son, always do good, not expecting any reward. Do it because you can. That girl is a simple, innocent girl. She has never been part of the drama Zelabo and son I've been bringing about. You know?
Papa, I do not want anything from them. At least simple appreciation would have gone a long way. Papa, you needed to have seen Obiago's reaction when he saw me. He rushed inside and brought a machete to fight me.
Pay no attention to such IGG. Initial gara-gara. That's what it is. You see, barking dogs don't bite. But silent dogs, hanata go-go. But you said Ezelabo appreciated you. Whether she appreciated you or not, doing good should be a goal or religion. Yeah?
Papa? I wonder why that animal was given such a name, Obiago. He only knows how to hide behind his mother. He's just an irony of his name. Nonsense, man.
Well, the circumstances surrounding your birth is such a peculiar one that you should pay no attention to mundane things. You know? At all. You are too important to be distracted by unimportant things.
Papa, eat now, eat.
I'm eating, no. I'm a ribuzo.
Licking your hand and speaking.
I am a ribuzo.
Then.
Let me sick away.
I've always wished for companionship, but I never knew I would start feeling this way about her. The resistant strength of love will always not know where and when to fall. I cannot believe I'm getting drawn in the depth of her personality, her beauty, her emphatic nature. The circumstance with which we met is not quite welcoming, but as the day go by, I fall in love with every bit of her. How can we make it work? Zikora, how are you today?
I'm fine.
Okay, I came to see how you're feeling.
I'm very fine. Thank you once again for saving my life. I am forever indebted.
No, I did not save your life. The gods saved your life. And you're not indebted to me in any way. Okay?
Thank you. Oh, sorry. Pardon my manners.
It's okay.
Come and have a seat.
No, don't bother yourself, okay? I should be on my way now. I just came to see how you're doing and how you're faring. Yes.
At least sit and have something to eat or drink.
No, you know I cannot stay. You know your brother doesn't like me for no reason.
Who cares? That's his problem, not mine.
It's okay,
Please,
but
even if it's a cup of water from a friend, a good gesture from a friend.
I know, I'll do that next time, okay? I have to start going now, okay?
If you insist.
Okay.
But I would have loved you.
It's okay, it's okay.
Okay, let me see you off.
What?
Nothing.
Okay. You need to stop here, okay? You know you're still recovering. And the weather is not good for your skin.
With you, I can go extra miles.
At a time like this, the feeling is still mutual, but we need to prioritize. Okay? Okay. Bye.
Bye.
I know how it starts. Say Benjo love get you maro. Yakonum ne pusino. I love you.
You may not know how it starts. You fit not know how it starts. Even me, it's all over me. Zikaramo, I love you. To you, I give you my love. Forever we go live in love.
I'm a Igame mukobi de mama. I'm a Igame kobi de mama.
Mama, welcome.
I saw the Benjo on my way back. Where was he coming from?
How am I supposed to know the whereabouts of a grown man? He's an adult.
Don't joke with me, Sikora. Because the bed I saw him leads to this place. Where was he coming from?
Okay, he just left here. He came to check up on me and to know how I am recuperating from the snake bite.
Is he a doctor?
Mama, his father is a herbalist, so he learns from the best.
Bianwa, the beam on your face and the confidence of your tone shows me that what he came here is more than just coming to check up on you. How market? Start talking.
Mama, I am a woman in her prime. Hence, I can't be attracted to any well-meaning man.
Really? Yeah, and you think Sebenjo is a well-meaning man? Eh? Is that what you think? In this your head? Eh? Look, let me tell you, he is not an option and is not well-meaning at all! So, from today, I want you to stop whatever you think you have with that girl. Are you hearing me? Stop whatever you have with him. Okay, Nania? Don't follow me.
I know how it starts. Sebenjo love get you I love you.
You may not know how it starts.
It's your sister, Izikora, that brought it. The bushmeat belongs to Sebenjo.
What is this now? What is this? Hey, I'll set up. Sebenjo brought bushmeat and he wanted to allow me to eat bushmeat that Sebenjo brought so that tomorrow, that he's been feeding me and my family with his bushmeat.
Don't see it that way. See it as you took it from your mother's pot.
Mama, I don't like this. What's that what we are saying? Mama, and it will look like I'm insulting you. What kind of rubbish is this?
It is not too late. Drop the plates.
What is it now? Will you keep quiet?
Mama, he hasn't taken a piece yet.
Don't mind him now.
So drop the plates.
You're not ashamed of yourself. You just go and collect meat from one non-entity and bring it into one day thank Carlos. What is the problem?